Hi, I'm Toby from downjacketrepair.com. You can guess what this video is about. I've got a hole in my lovely down jacket. It's awful, isn't it? Really upsetting to see, but we've got the perfect solution. Our down jacket repair patches, which come in a pack of 7. We have 14 different colours, they're self-adhesive, they're soft, and they solve your problem permanently. So let's have a look. How would I mend this jacket? Take it off, obviously. This is only a small hole, but the patches, as you can see, come in a selection of sizes. You use a pen to push the down back into the jacket through the hole. You might want to bring the camera in a little bit so you can see this more clearly. You can see the hole there. Now these patches, if you have a look at them, they're made of a special, carefully researched, high-tech, very thin, very fine and very soft replacement material. You remove the backing, and then again, can you bring the camera in nice and close? Place the patch over the hole, press it down, and that's your repair done. Now it's lovely soft material. You'll hardly notice it's there. Just about visible, but because of its softness, you'd never know. And in fact, you may not have realised I've already got another repair on this jacket. But you'll notice that once it's in place, you never know the difference. Now we've got 14 colours in this range, so we can suit most down jackets or sleeping bags. Very easy to fit. You can see the sizes. We go up to, the sizes are all on the website, but you've got some decent size oval shapes there as well as the small ones, and we guarantee you'll be happy with the result. So that's it, an easy repair, a solution to a hole in your lovely down jacket. Now we've got 14 colours, we can ship anywhere in the world, postage and packing free of charge. We'll rush the patches out to you as quick as your order comes in. So come to downjacketrepair.com and make your order as soon as you can.